by the Huxley and Hansen. So here in the sliding filament theory, it has a first thing is the action potential and calcium release. Here is the calcium will be released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Then automatically ATP is binds with the myosin heads. Then ATP is decomposed as a ATP plus PI. At the time cross bridge is formed. Then after binding calcium of troponin and moreover the cross bridge formation, here is the with the binding sites exposed to the high energy of myosin heads attached to the actin, forming the cross bridge, and moreover the these pulling backward heads to this one. So here the testal colonies initiate the muscle contraction. You know that motor nerve, it's attached with the particular sarcolemma. It formed as a motor nerve end. And here is a power stroke and filament sliding also takes place while these heads during the power stroke the myosin head pivots, pulling the action filaments towards the M line. So here the release of ADP and phosphate from the myosin heads followed by the binding of a new ATP molecule which causes the detachment of the myosin heads from the actin. In such way same thing will be repeated. So then automatically here is the muscle contraction takes place, and A band I band during the muscle contraction which will be changed means here is the myosin filament won't be changed in length, but it has a change in the sarcoplasm, shortening of the sarcoplasm. So in such way this will be happens. Here is the calcium play a major role, and moreover the ATPase an enzyme also play a major role, and moreover the that mechanism will be controlled by the completely nervous system.